Hi, I'm Dominic from Leggett Immobilier. Today I'm in the Hamlet La Chisarette to show you two beautiful chalets, the Sabot des Venus and Le Gaulois. These two chalets are built together and can be sold either separately or as one unit. Let's have a look inside the Sabot des Venus first. Designed to host up to 15 guests, Le Sabot des Venus combines authentic charm and modern comfort. The spacious living area is warm and inviting, perfect for sharing unforgettable moments. Flooded with light, warmed by the large central fireplace, it is a true gathering spot in any season. This property also offers a fully equipped professional kitchen. 8 ensuite bedrooms, each with private shower and WC, offer privacy and comfort for every guest. The windows and balconies offer breathtaking views no matter where you look. You can even watch the famous king of the mountains, the alpine ibex, from your bedroom. For moments of pure relaxation, the private wellness area offers a true sanctuary. Enjoy the generous indoor pool, unwind in the sauna or hammam, and let the calm of the mountains take over. Alright, now this door here leads directly into the Gaulois chalet, so the gorgeous spa section can be used by either chalet or, if rented together, by the whole group. So this here is the main living area, the lounge of the chalet Le Gaulois, and this used to be actually the stables. Over there is the old manger, and this beautiful feature is a tulip. My photographer said this is the most beautiful tulip she's ever seen, and people lived here during winter together with livestock, just separated by a small little wooden bar, one side the cows, the other side the people. Le Chalet Le Gaulois is defined by its charming vaulted lounge and dining area, a space full of character where traditional alpine architecture creates a warm and intimate atmosphere perfect for gathering together. The fully equipped professional kitchen is designed for practicality and easy views, making it ideal for larger groups and shared moments around the table. The 11 bedrooms all come with a private bathroom, offering comfort and privacy. To complete the experience, a sauna provides a welcome space to relax and unwind after a day spent outdoors. Although both chalets, with their very unique features and beauty, serve as a true standalone vacation home, it is important to note that this is a turnkey business opportunity as well. 15 and at least 22 beds respectively turn this gem with its stunning location in an all-season revenue generator. With an established, loyal clientele and a huge potential to market this property for corporate retreats, group event organizers or associations, the possibilities to generate a significant income stream are unlimited. Winter or summer, the experience is exceptional. In winter, enjoy skiing the vast Paradis Ski or Three Valley area. In summer, the surrounding landscape transforms into a paradise of mountain trails, peaks and raw nature, a haven for exploration and adventure.